Oh, I ain't gonna lie, I got a huge fucking announcement. Oh, shit! No fucking way, bro.
You hate me, I can't stand the fact I love it. Why you cause me these issues, start a fight with me in public. I do so much and I don't get nothing, but the way this girl make me feel is good loving. We split ways and we come back, and I don't need your friends' 2 cents with they dumb ass. Let's switch lanes, let's change states, so we can go and live our life like a vacay. I feel like we've been down this road before.